I've just been handed this really expensive, fancy little microphone here that's super sensitive. And as you've heard, heat pumps are really noisy. So I'm going to show you this heat pump, see if you can hear it. Are you picking up anything? Is this thing working? I'm not sure you can even hear anything. Let me do that again. Check this out. Anything? Can you hear anything? As you can see, this is not a noisy heat pump. This is an Ochsner heat pump, and this will be the quietest heat pump you'll ever come across. The Hawk 208 tested, super quiet. 28 decibels, if you can believe that. Incredibly quiet.